Savage. Ole, ole. See him still in my heart. Away. Otumbe, shole. Check out your my wallet. What day? Me love you very long. Pass me your love like a ping pong. Cause you ring my bell like a ding dong. Oh,
hey guys, it's yours truly Akonkeoge. Today's class is eyebrow only. Yay! It was actually a full makeup class, so I decided to run eyebrow only. Anyway, I set the eyebrow with the exact person's skin shades of foundation and powder to reduce oil on the skin. Then I won't have to go back to that spot during my foundation. Right now I am using my Glams Girl matte liquid eyeliner. It's brown, and I will blend through. Then I used my normal pencil to line the top and bottom of my brows. Usually the brown liner is a bit brown, so I usually use that for the edge only. Then I use my pencil for the top and bottom. Then I just blend with my brush, then go in strokes with pencil. I am using my Milani Secret Cover Concealer in shade 02 to conceal. This is like 2 shades lighter than the person's skin tone. Like I said before, it is a full makeup, so I'm using something very bright so that I can highlight under the brow bone with, and I can also prime with. Milani concealer is very consistent. It is as consistent as an eye primer. Therefore, I use it basically as an eye primer. Now I'm lining the bottom with my Milani. If I want to line the top, or if I want to clean up the top of the eyebrow, I use the person's foundation. I don't use any form of concealer. This makes it easier for foundation to blend through easily. You don't need the concealer or a brighter shade of concealer above the eyebrows. You need your eyebrows as natural as possible. So I am using the person's foundation. I'm using shade 01 of the HD classic foundation.
I know not another, and you know that I want to let you. So anywhere you go, I go follow you, all over you, giving you, cause you're my boo. Yes, you're my boo, and I love you. Oh, no time you no do. Looking sweet.
So guys, I think I am done with the eyebrow. So I'm gonna blend, keep blending. I'm gonna add the concealer, and I'm gonna set with powder as well to prep it for my eyeshadow. Then the next thing I'm gonna do is to start highlighting my brows to bring out the brows and also make the contour or transition pop as well. Anyway, that's the final look, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Like I said, this is a brow tutorial. It's not a full makeup tutorial. Please like and subscribe and follow us on Instagram for videos and pictures. Thank you.